Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use the UNAME command in Linux. To start, open the terminal. Now run just the UNAME command to see the system name. Then if you want to know the version used, run UNAME -- version. Then if you want to see all the system information, run UNAME -A. Then to see the kernel name, run UNAME -S. Now to find out the kernel version, run UNAME -V. If you want to know the full version of the kernel, run UNAME -R. Then to find out the hostname, run UNAME -N. Then, if you need to know the system architecture, run UNAME -M. After that, to know the system used, execute the command UNAME -O. After this, it is possible to combine options to know all the details of the kernel, run UNAME -R-V. Additionally, you can run the command UNAME -RV to see the same result. Then you can run the following command for complete team details, UNAME -SRM. Finally, for full Linux details, run the command on screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.